Hey guys, my name is Andres Morales and I'm your local mortgage broker. Today I wanted to talk about VA renovation loans. So VA renovation loans combines all the benefits of a standard VA loan with the ability to roll the cost of the home repairs, renovations, or remodeling into a single mortgage. It's available for purchases or refinances and allows up to $50,000 in funding towards the rehabilitation. Now, some of the highlights of the VA renovation loans, it allows up to 100% financing for purchases, 90% financing for refinances, and up to $50,000 towards improvements. With a minimum FICO score of 620, it allows for jumbo loans amounts up to $822,375 nationwide. Improvements, including luxury items that can be completed in 4 months, are eligible. Now, you got to keep in mind that if you're also a disabled vet with any type of disability, even 10%, the VA funding fee is waived when you do any type of VA financing, either a regular VA financing for purchases, refinances, or a renovation loan. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a quick like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Again, thank you and have a great day.